How did you hear about American Paving Design?
Actually, we saw it in Sensations, and we decided to look into it. And the most important thing that I think the reason that we went with them is because they responded quickly, they responded honestly, and Nicole Burnett, who is one of their representatives, was just here and did whatever she had to do to get the deal.
As you looked at replacing your concrete driveway, what made you decide to choose brick pavers?
As opposed to
Anything, like, what
Well,
made you
just-
say, oh, we want pavers in
well,
here?
just look at this. I mean, it's
stunning.
The work is absolutely stunning, and it adds. I really believe it adds something to the house, both financially as well as the way it looks. It just goes great with the gray, and there were so many different colors to pick from. My wife, who is the artist in the family, came up with this type of design, and she just loved it.
It really looks like it was made to all be
Absolutely.
together. Did you find the installation process with American Paving Design simple and easy?
Absolutely. They had a crew here that was just unbelievable. Neat, in and out, and the way they cleaned up after themselves was fantastic.
Would you recommend us to your neighbors?
Absolutely. I've already recommended American Paving, even on Facebook.
Awesome. One last question. How do you feel when you pull up now?
I know it's my house. How do I feel? I feel great. When we were building the house, we really wanted to put some type of a brick facade up here, but because of the way the house was and the laws that in the condo association you can only have this or that or the other, we were stuck with just what we got, which is okay. So we decided that we'd add brick. If we couldn't put it on the building, we'd put it near the building, the house.
Well, it looks fabulous. And you did your backyard too.
Absolutely, yeah.
And how do you feel about your patio back there?
I love sitting back there and sitting on my patio.